Hello and welcome to my latest Ecovaganza video. Today I want to show you white shades. With white shades we want to show you a minimalistic and outstanding artwork which works with white water-based screen ink. The design allows an ink coverage of less than 7% compared to more than often 280% with common designs. Using negative grayscale raster opens up a world of great design possibilities. You can use white shades also to print with offset on a dark tone paper. Therefore, you first underprint the widescreen water-based ink under the offset printing. If combining white shades with offset printing, a trapping of 0.3 mm is recommended. Fine line thicknesses in graphic motifs should be avoided. A thickness of at least 1 point is therefore necessary. If you want to have more information about the project or order a sample box, please visit our website ecovaganza.com. In the next video I will show you another Ecovaganza technique. Thanks for watching.